What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a lot of days I've been away. I hope you guys you've been okay, and I'm so fine. I've just been busy and here and there doing some other things, but guys, I'm back. I'll be a little bit more consistent. Thank you for those who have been reaching out and those who have been requesting. I'll be doing some videos or I come back. Yes, I'm coming back, or I'm coming back. I'm back. That is. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you. I'm going to be sharing with you a tutorial on my brows, or a very easy tutorial that I came across, and I've been doing it, and it's quite nice, and it is going to be giving you a flawless brows. So first thing, I'm going to be using this one going to be glue. This glue, it holds things together. I prefer using this one rather than you have a spray, you have a got to be spray, the one that you use on your wigs, but this is one I've been using, and it's the best so far on my brows, that is. So the first thing that I'm going to be doing is to you just do take a little bit of glue with your spoolie. Make sure that you brush the brows in a make sure that they look natural, that they are looking a little bit way more natural than you're just faking it. Let me just go. You make sure that you brush them. Look at that. And this technique works so well. If you have a lot of brows like me, which are full, you can just brush them off with a spoolie, and you just have to be a little bit. Look at that. So now that you're done with laying out the what do you call it, the shape of your brows, you make sure that they are looking more and more natural. You can see how they look like. Then you leave them to dry a little bit. Give them some time to dry. So I'm going to be going in with my very sharp. I'm using a black one today. Very sharp. Make sure that it's sharp because you're going to fill out the remaining parts. So, and all my brows, they are dry. That glue, it holds the brows into place. The same case with the hair. Make sure that you fill in more of like natural, like that. And then I'm just going to lay out and brow, or I'm going just to draw just a little bit of it, so to make it more, to look it nicer, like that. On the upper side, you make sure that you're moving from, because you have a lot of hair here, so on this side you're going to make sure they begin from bottom, from here, But the upper side, you make sure that you're going from here. It's very easy, or it comes out so clean and doesn't look so much fake. You're going to go like that. Then you make sure that you fill in the places that you feel that, like these places, I'm going to fill. Always make sure that your eye pencils, they are sharp. I have a lot of them that have sharpened. So you fill in until you feel that you are comfortable. This is the look that you want, or depending on how you want it to be dark or how you want it to be, to look it more like that. So it looks like more of a natural brow, not a. So because of this line that we drew down here, I'm going to brush a little bit just to remove that line, the harsh lines. That's the way. Look at that. Doesn't look so much fake. Like you just outline. If you have a small brow, it's okay. But me, I have a lot of brows. So I'm going to, when you comb them upwards, so they take a lot of space. That's why you see it's big. So if you have smaller one, the better. It's okay. But also, it's okay for us who have a lot of brows and a lot of them actually. And I forgot to say that make sure that you shape your brows. These areas I had shaved like a while ago. It's like I have 5 days ago somehow. So this is how my brow looks like without putting on the concealer, or I have not concealed anything. I think it's cute like that. Just to make sure that those harsh lines, we are going to remove them with a spoolie. This is a spoolie like that. So I'll go ahead and proceed to the other brow. So you're going to use a very light concealer. And you're going to use this brush, this one. And you're going to take this brush, this one, and you tap in the product. You make sure that you're tapping, not you're like sort of rubbing. You tap in like that. It's easier, and you can always go in with more product if you see that it's not enough. You can just go in and you make the amends where you think that your product is not enough. So I'm concealing from here with this light concealer, this one. On the other side, you can. So on this part and the upper part, I'm going to be using this concealer. If you don't have two types or you don't have two shades of concealer, the darker one, you can always use your foundation. So I use Fit Matte, this one. This is what I use my foundation sometimes, but I prefer using the concealer at the front part of it. You see, you take the product that looks like your skin tone. That's why I say the darker one. If not, this concealer, the dark shade, this one, use the foundation that you normally use on your skin. So it all depends with your preference. So and you make sure you tap in again. The reason as to why you put that product at the beginning, so that you make sure that your brows, they are a bit more natural. They look more natural, not so shouting. But some people, they normally even use the lighter one because they are going to contour that. So it's a matter of preference. So we're going to conceal the upper part. When you concealing the upper part, you begin somewhere here. I'm not going to touch this side, so I don't want them to look so fake, or I don't know which word I can use, but I want them to look so natural, and that's why I'm going to use from. I normally begin from here. I go around. Make sure you outline that line very well, and like that. That's my brow. You can see, you see when you conceal from this area, it gives you your brows look more natural than it's more fake. Then you go in with your brush, you tap in, you make sure that you're tapping in the product until you feel that you're satisfied with the. Now that is how our brows looks like. So I'll proceed to the next brow. Look at that now. Now that's the final look on my, yeah. So I hope that you grasp something on this. Let me know on the comment section what you think about this look. Just a simple eyebrows, and it's just simple way, simple technique. Within 20 minutes you're done, and practice it makes perfect. Sometimes it takes time if you are not, it's new to you. It may take a lot of your time, or where you are outlining the brows and everything, but the moment you keep on practicing, you're going to master that, and it becomes like you can take as minimal time, like just 10 minutes, and you're done with the brows. Bye bye. I see you in my next video. Bye.